Odofo a wo hweme me ma akọ baba bra waka TV so enne bra waka TV ene ye dwumadie no enne eye ne me se dwumadie we adofo no ma hwehwe animu ache mo hwe ne kwan ache enne bra waka TV kofa bai yakomrewura yensa kasa papa no nene ye de namba ye dwumadie eso ye se artist ni bi ho aho unya no baabi a wo enye easy say wonsa beka artist titiri te se de enne me ni no ebedi nkomo yi ba se wa hwa Emirates ya wo bra waka TV artist ya de wo mo ba ye dwumadie no so no ano oden na ano hyiye pa koso ana ne yentina subscribe share never comment na like dwumadie no emaye eye still bra waka TV ene yentina ene nkomo yi mu na ene nkomo no nipa na me de ne ba no ano oden yie ensem a mi bebisa no no ano oden nene ye be hwe se munti obayansa yensem nyina amaye ene mo pani kasie bi e ofia mami nyino enkyerɛw minim sɛ wuni no ba mami nsa enkyerɛw ɛna ɔpani kɛse a me nsa ka no no ɛyɛ yɛnya yi nua bɛrima yadie nyinaa young chorus
ya bɛyɛ fine bigi bi ya bɛyɛ fine ɛbɛyɛ
young chorus adɔfo hwɛ w'anim akyew alright ɔpani a ɔwɔ me nkyɛn ɛyɛ young chorus mami nsa nkae wo ono ene to dwom bia wo se mama boss papa mensanya to sidie mama idie
mama baby ewo misie besebo mensanya to sidie anadidie baby ewo misie besebo obi ane the choices Louisi wo kana jine I don't think far. I don't think madness.
Yes. A better osada your son. Obi baka say, hey, bra waka TV. Any other thing? Anasa ya no kre. Eno panika si na ankasa. Ewo fidie imo. Bini ni bedin komo. Enti ani entina. Young. Ye mo akwa babi mba bra waka TV.
Ye ni abo.
Na bom te say.
E madam ma bibia eku.
Young, ya hwe wani ma che. Wana di ni say wodi bibia be ma ye.
Eye easy. Because also na shows na that na say time is shada ni. Wait. I was Asian there, and it's no Asia.
All right, yes, Shia, na yes, Shia. Bra waka TV, and you have before, yet that was sick the brain. Yamisha, say at and Safra Waba. Now, young, Mammy Misso, a dear Nipa Dona, Dinimo, young chorus. Would you answer the same?
Well, maybe I got the Bismarck career, but young chorus no be a name.
All right, Bismarck career. Bismarck, if we are Master Central, Jacobu.
Kumasi area.
Let's just say Ashanti region. Hey, yeah. All right. Now, how come young chorus?
Well, we started music, at it, and then now me used to name be, and me used to nickname be. It's Tembiano. Now me be so I'm singing pie. So me go see the one CD be me call. It's Obo Hobe, you know a rapper. No me here Obi am na singing either. Amano. It's a engineer no. After me, me a friend boy now, I have 2 chorus. Me a friend boy, we be any one of my friends, I bet you my Jimmy do it. I shall have a call. After there, I'm already chorus in the ABD. It's music chorus, and it's a say. It's along the way now, I'm who said, no chorus, because I'm pretty video day. And it can't hold. We check here, and I know how cute I'm saying, the answer, the young on the count one ever far. It's not me so young, but I can't chorus when I say, do.
Young chorus. Ejuma ne doso ewo oman yi mu but we say ejuma na abefa adintina eye ejuma to na enye ejuma fufuro bia
well also bible kwa ka say admachi de eguma hodo so bia na ende obi de di obi de sampaka obi de borbo obi su de anyum to eti mi hu say me de na de music na me mada kwa na mada also ye musician or music eti no a family na a family ni yeah.
Edna young Ghana had the Buama yedi hu young chorus pa ye nua bema kwa John Cancer Lewin ene ebisi Lewin banono ebisi Lewin wo fase ebisi Lewin nua ebisi dabi Lewin animu yi ene young chorus ense Lewin wa yo dey
well Lewin I can say I am nua penny me bra penny aside me boss because the share no pass all the no dey kan wo industry ndoda it's I discover me, starting to see Bibia, although nobody can movie soundtrack another day. but me can say I'm boss preoccupé.
All right, young. Na obi ani abre so person hu Kwadwo Nkansa Lewen. Enya gudie so kra. E kwa be na wo fa so a onya Kwadwo Nkansa Lewen.
The tell say e kwa ya fa so e miti e no na e show. Say the aba show ha ya sa show ni kono bibiso kwa wapa border na so nti and then na be mo hotel room ti me da post no so da post no so it's me pie be gina amani mo sa no la me pie na no so pie na e be shia e it's all be say me say o me ba time be na so buy kwa no enche bi asa na bo inside it's a hona se didi komo na dia na o me senyi numbers it's hona e call ni room ko didi koma it's obi say me ti na me ti kuma ase no so ti kuma ase ti no na e na sa to the same area ko na me titafo no so titafo ya iti akoba sana ti say na no akoyi ni afọ preoccupé it's a one such a vibe it's a we do kuma ase no such a benanti.
All right, young girls na ye bisa wo share dwomo to na ase no why na share we cry pa say kakari koso na todwom na abeya dwumtini da achi bi why na share we
because say way back be a che kona me ko na ya sorry time tina me ko ye me ko sorry tina aya na me to anyone sorry je ko Easter convention na me ko to na me sua the kai pa satana mo be 30 40 years na me sua eti me ko to ni mo sorry na se mo ba shi kese eti me to ni wi no na omo chi me gina ho na so funa no ho no oye no se akwa obeto nyum oye nyum like music e woni mu so ono come obi o bi ai dey etsi and then if you want to start to say music na dey so no akofo bebre so as a omachi me crown music ni muti no so na etsi
young na so for e kan hintasem sei e kire wo ma obi ate ye no adan wan kasa ne me be di so for na chi na ma ye no gospel e di aboa sa side no
oh say so be a secular music and it say ebia e money and I say be a teacher can make gospel say no na nyakopo de mama a I know say kameto but all say so music you know sometimes you talk about okay I think say David or Solomon or talk about love it's you know yes no motivation be so it me ma obi a ne ra ho obi a only leader so it's really no yeah because so share you me west na dina it's me Emma almost no obi and rap so it me to motivate them and energy.
Young girls genre of music ben and one kasa woto
me I said there meet me kasa me anyuma because about high life for meto about hip life for meto about rap me and then dance so say what say menu be bra who say me share any particular place because every time beat me kan tino me ready be a baby and me be
young me person mama freestyle kakra ejuma da wa koma so mama freestyle
okay Ricky girls if I come to the center in the club it be we the conquer we the do shaku for the corner Mr. DJ turn the music louder every day we the throw party when the enemies think say we get nothing we the spray cash each and every day say yes you can open baby show something the bajo Ricky girls show something the bajo say almost see yetua almost see yetua hermano hadena motiti yensano hermano hadena motiti yensano hermano hadena motiti yensano bibia be fine
Jankoros bibia be fine young yeah that's it yeah try and comedy no eso na young yes and then some keka maybe sound le wen ho asem emirate ya wabi mi yenya ne say young chorus and le wen omo pie line e kwan bi ani wo mo side ebiem etisa sign it here
was the previous time no bibi sa happy and then the coin no perfume bi ni din komo ade am sa back ma be yajuma bo 1 year na ade but then say mo one man say be 3 months more na separation asaba bet I dey be so Mati Bibia family I me an kasa me dey me dey ntino na o say me me so majuma yes
young ebi no ka say I Kwadwo Nkansa Lewen we ye difridi pe bibia o pese wono nko a wasa ye boni aye enti wo betie yesi woni me nua bema kwaku manu wo mo ntemu enye fine woni wo de hye ba ene Zack Nation lewe ankasa no yesi wo de bi edi wo ye di fripre bibi opeso wono kwa wo ye boni ayesa
onim sa ekobo ye ankasa na me mpese me yi ano wa ase me mpese me yi ano wa because we are see the dot here ehun asiche the one thing so obviously dot here antini then sa
enu ntina ne yede wa babra waka TV e pesa wo ka bibi e ma arefo ni nyina ehu no krem
me pese what yendoji question kakra I know say me papa mu no ya be di nkomo
okay me papa young girls also on pesa obekọ ho bebre de mo ate no a eye me papa me be di nkomo young na wo creating process no say net ye kwan be na afa so a wonya lyrics e de ma wojo
well mo nyum be 5 6 you ha eri ya me nya free dai because obo a me tokwa me shira se madawo but me ni kom sense a won say anyum bi to anyum to na say me ti me na say na recording and I'm saying busy me kan ti no say anyum ne bass na me ti me ni a so me bom bi na me de atoato most of my record to me phone so ti I thank me be free dai so mu na ebi won so me nya free enkomodi die mu any daily activities like do bi dia me enkomodi mu otu awu so ti movement bi e koso and it's me like to watch and then inside the way audio music be there yeah
all right na say o chira juma it take you how many minutes hours days months and I ultimate the jumba
and yours yeah wo anyimbo ha ultimate go beat na sana anyim na ba yeah anyimbo so a ultimate sana ko beat but me na music and chema me say anyim no be chama me ati say bia betu nyu no nyina awie me jira say na bo beat sisi a betu umwe anyim fi aba metu atu sisi a and then ewia na matena say tie anyim na metu ye ni nyina ti be nyim ko fia na say bia efie no me da ho na metie anyim na changes bo ha na my head my makuma ha but anyim da because me anyim dia enche kra
yo na ejuma no music industry no oba mu acha kakra
ya mba mu ache oba mu ache
be enfie be say ni
well me recorded my first track in the year 2005 na me recorded my first track na demo but like I said the me ban Lamplight me na lewe my boss papa no but aside that no dey carry a movie soundtrack be great Scabidie wu ekokofo okrom odasem Satan agu also yeah
so far ya wo say woni adwomtofo no bebre atodwom wan pa na wunya na ka wo sa no be collabo enani chinan
wo hisa no meni atekwa anyom meni lawe anyom meni medical adrop anyom che kwa enso guso ewe ni then minya obi say Shatawala because me ada no Stone Boy me ada no Sakode me ada no but other arts be bro me ada because we body na they be searching me ada squad be brave yeah
adentina wo hwe say one Stone Boy Shatawale any afoforo no ebe yanyem na nkoye obi biasa
because all say abrabo no dey bia no obu na nim che obi dey bia no obu na nim che obi etina na me feel say omo am ye senior for na omo game no no at least also am always be to onyom stra everything do far yeah listen me feel say me no more there ebe
all right now young chorus ye bisa so far ejuma ben and I was here Erika Juma to one
well me say sound engineer
now mama musa what worry yan twa brebe
also mo twa brebe the right person never me worry
that is Young Chorus for you Brown Waka TV Young Chorus and I no edim komono young mami musa you better be sorry and I say koba say senka wanye jumtuni ere bia we ye event organizer enka jumtuni be na obepese obeba udwumadi ase abebo show ama
come for Young Chorus
na abefa no se madi ka aka say senka wanye jumtuni
ya ka no ho kiti Young Chorus nko no so ho ti we for no a
all right young mami musa yes ya jumtofo obi wa na wo kwa mu bra
na wɔto dwom wɔhyɛ toilet so a wɔhyɛ bathroom baabi a na wɔto no wɔkasa afɔ no bia
papa
nti he fa saa na wotai
baabi a ebo kwa me wetimi fi me ho me tika mu ti se de me bia no bibia me bia so about music it's no me wetimi fi me ho kra na me dey aha me tonyo wuti ande
all right na ye won krofo anasa dwumtofo bebre nso a obehu no na waye ne get to lie na je waje ne PC kakra obi nso timi kwotena mpoano na wode ye edwom no ye no sa no se emfaso be ne ya e wo so ma wo
but peace ni minima no kro e dey
oh ganja respect to all the ghetto boys all right
ganja na e dey
who so wo bo wisi
who say no e dey
awon santawa
na e dey
young cross young
oh well the way can say esno bia ne house bia na dey and then sometimes kwana ebitimi ka say mo share energy na me ne lewe indigenous stage so na omoje say bia ya fa bibi bet ani en fa hwe because on say ade no adwuma no yakopo nyame de amawo ene ya wo se be ya adwuma no etina so wonya anije wa adwuma na wo ye den wo ye nem etimi menya gina stage so na menya wo se nipa de go sei na vim bia be hye me mu etina me ye bia no energy so na me den me de etimi me hu say me be ya menum bibia ansa na matron me hu say me because me nyo bia me no nsa but I can't remember said there was a time be menum smell of I don't know kwa no as my medalisi it's
you know they say a man sound and it's me bo
share it's me bo me but it's no ni na mboa me
young na so far ye dey say edwom to e na wo ye a wom one kasa na wo say o talent pa e dey
well me start here no na me bobo body e me uba yehud mo nyina saman se wa cause the ball pa ma bobo nya de kitwa.
And so far, some talent na ye ball bono akachi and I still na.
He said the manage ball because say music na di dimi mu. Say the music na there. Me na manage music na change ball. Yeah.
All right. Mami Musa sasem we. Royalty bonus no. Ebi mu no complaini e wo Ghana ha say ema na Ghana ha yesi e no ema. Senka wo be ye president and say musical anamo be nka betu afa
on say we are say no say the oya we hu de bia no ye den o pa na sa ho kwa ana do deserve no so de ye den e ma no e bia nya obi a deserve say the royalty ne ye den e be ma no but you only people ha o deserve so de ma because and the motivate upcoming for no so upcoming artists no so mo ye den e do mo so no even kwa no obi chisu good words so the be na music and then so sha on say pay for be brain and pedumo lumba before we could join China, they also money elastic up to date in and say your money bo has still like that small but any boys na here bano you only pay bro rise here as indeed 6 months 1 year kono my dem omocham it's no some pay for ne sa omo deserve no and that's will be a young guy now you share the west now the music and say good na say born abaso sa na be boama yes no obi a obabia na betina say afasa ne ba kono kwa obi sua no say omisu no say me chisu the right ways na me find dey yeah.
All right. Young Mami Musa, can it tete for no? Ye repa bobo akwaboa mo obibini techi mo a omo dwomo no omo ye wi a na omo ton cassette e na omo di nyesika but ene ye de no ye ton cassette internet na aba internet no abegu adwuma no anasa abehim kena
internet no me can say engu adwuma no me hunu say engu adwuma no because the time na omo ton cassette na omo di tini wo say obi na eso no na ewo ene wo so a particular place bi a wanko ha wonye den unya nyo ni bi so it's na nema din but na wo share internet staffs now ele ewiase na be ketua bi because okuta phone na ewiase na ye den o phone so ti say me tuwe my enyom me video ko to YouTube me nya me link me pese me share me tell say na obi wa buchiri na wo say onya me link a obi so share me video ko internet obere obenya nsa but way back no na unya ne sa so we see the kwa no akwa ma mesena madabi wa witri ono no before say if you let akwa de be say in na ese na ya gusi di so na da post office so but any name rare o chobu WhatsApp so ana say bi mail partner ko nti no internet service na aboa ma yesa hu ni para ode enyo na ba no yesa hu face ye because I want to post your status and then things boa
na young cross Mami Musa so far edwom do send what to me aye
wa sisi am say there I drop it and you be 7. I drop it be 7. Yeah, I think say skin pain and me adao after say me never drop it my almost upon me drop it me adao and then me drop it skin pain American song and a bajo me not 1 and I'm never win and so Christmas yeah our day and I start dropping me medical day and so you and so with Lewin. Yeah.
All right. Young girls.
Be away
from. Next project project
I don't know me so am here what you ma na on say nyum bia wo artist dey to so ati me so am here jama nyum be for bu ha me here what you ma afina me ne artist no so dey e kasanti no mutimi ka say project we na me dey ba bet me papa mu no I will say me drop e dey me drop one.
Okay. You say what share project ase. What can Emre Papam? Me pese me push you kakra. You hwe ni mu an kopem ebre ben.
Oh, on say me drop pay me medical ne Lewin we no and church me go so me promote. It a chai bia next month like February March mo no. Yeah, me bound.
It you hwe ni mu sa.
Yeah, hwe ni sa.
Na me give say what shows I would be what about shows?
Be my shows be Ghana had a platform me who they mean so because the biggest platform Ghana meet Nigeria crowd me jina so you know.
All right.
Yeah.
In this shows ni na dey pa na wani ji wo mo pa.
Hey. Okay, manage Ghana meet Nigeria because once Ghana meet Nigeria no in Nigeria for and then and also a platform be so a nationwide obi I dey share it's you know yeah manage Ghana meet Nigeria.
All right. Na young mami me say ebisa me be jawo ama wako na me bisa no na me bisa say what can say we start a year with demo 2005 as at now ususu say the osi sha ase no wonyi ni senka wasenka watra te say baby a wo yi.
Yeah, I was say kamatra
adenti na still na emasa
I was say kamatra one thing is I want say music thing no and enye easy was me say akofo be DM me on me WhatsApp ni Facebook na dey obi a person me nanti omodoso adenti na obi a person on me nanti all because of say nipa no you good power but it's can some problem one because being underground artist no which one you know we are so because see the recording a problem or recording we are so we check video a problem we check video we are so and you know crowd go TV I mean about a problem so you know my DJ someone about a problem and then your DJ so no more no be a juma say like omuyi omuyam de be nyi omuyam be pebi kakra ni nyina no say it's about money and then nam ko be require say what dey ade nam no bo that dey announce na that 2 months why dey what me anti why you say na enye easy especially say once any management team and only manager bia and so no enye easy yeah
mama mbisa masem we so far record label be na wom young cross
see the mo BBF family I am me record label am dey be ho adwuma.
Oh okay. Enti se obi epe we kira kwan a social media no hefa na yenko yebenya young chorus ne dwuma wodi.
Okay, Instagram here official young chorus and then Facebook is here young chorus GH now Twitter here I am young chorus so yeah
young chorus Brawaka TV yeda wase say ye frɛ wo waba ye dwumadie yi eso na memoir ye shoutouts ama wahwefo omo hwɛ wo Brawaka TV ahwefo ene obi bia o hwɛ sai dwumadi.
Well first of all yeda otwede amponse so my this opportunity so yeda to media bekasa and then obi bia wo hwɛ bia so no yeda wase pi so boko so na wo be hwɛ because at the papa wa ha saying oda say unya na bia say bia na obenya artist bi even omani muti what I say it is all be so also know that only artist better now interview now certain be a share and I says also be so try interview wa tem be now say dem o share and the people are saying we are very fine
na young girls who be a hwɛ no so e wo dwumoto yi musia no ana
me say that no bia me hwɛ ne so because on say because me nye music or one lane
right
yeah it's no me nye bia me hwɛ ne so me I'm doing my own thing. Yeah, and since I'm a rapper, I'm a singer, I'm in a lot of ways, you know, we know be a mission. So.
All right, young girls, so far, more and answer more no. Upcoming artists, you know, message Ben at the Bema one.
Well, the crime I catch you say, I'm more be a more bamumbu. because wabamu bu na ebi echina na nka ye wo da but the moment wabamu bu ne no umiti o success echina so na enkofo bebre ho abubu nipa bam ko me sati yese adipa bebre bu mabam but say me so no my say music na na meye eti me salawe kwatia na azak tia na ye kan enye ize umisa no say me pade fi wa me metima ha me house me saka me njaye so it will be ana opushi ana ye pemo ko chire ne kan sem na obamu bu no utimi ko wani mti mo na wono ye kasema eti a wegu hu fi no fa eno ye stepping stone you know who's over there over through to the top. Yeah.
All right. Young girls,
Brawaka TV. Yeda wasipi. Na mija wa mwa kono. Uwa sembi ankesese upese mibisao. Ame misana.
Well, I didn't come in. But I think I was saying number bitujia.
All right.
Because Obu Hana obe here say on here bidding komo, and our management team no here bidding komo.
Young. Fanamba ne tuga ewa Brawaka TV. Eso.
Number is 0542 935858 0542 935858 and also on Instagram, Facebook, Instagram official Young Chorus and then Facebook here Young Chorus GH. Oh, it's here. Everything come.
All right, Young. Me mawako na yede flyer no etutu mu no. Obi se me musa osase mo se me nchia wo ema no. Ni dey MTN way back oboase was on no record track bi na flowking ejina so bi so obeka ya. Ose achepa MTN wo kai no.
Yeah, na MTN na team. Yeah. Team me kwa na me say dey near there. E buy ya na team. Yeah. Oh, me je omu ina so. Bi a be fa oboase. Oh ya tena wa she. Bi a be fa. Okay. I see. I've been going to school every day. Next week you bet be a committee more. Yes, 1 + 1 me say 5. Yes, 2 + 2 me say 10. I the cherry cause we say madam po. I do any be sifie da na me so. Ye bo break time cry na me ni agio. Ye bo break over dia na me. I say awade dinawe. So what dia we dia wow.
PBF BBA be fine. Brawaka TV yene Young Chorus ene twetwe nkomo no. Meja Young amanako fa comment no ebra subscribe share ne like ye dwumadie no yesane e de artist foforo ebesan abramo e wo dwumadie so. Me di dwumadie ho chia me diane Dotty Makramo.